My name is Jardion. I was born in Burlington, Vermont. Right now, I live in Marshfield. I've been living there for about 14 years. Berrytown was my first home. I lived there till I was 3. Then I moved to Marshfield. The wildlife up here is amazing. The beauty of the mountains and the landscapes are breathtaking. The people up here in Marshfield are very nice and they always help each other out. For the past 8 years, I've been a Boy Scout, almost an Eagle Scout. I've worked with the community and helped out a lot. I worked at Mount Norris Scout Camp for an entire summer, teaching kids how to use rifles the safe and right way. I'm also part of a community called the Furry Fandom. I've been part of the fandom for about 5 years, so I guess you can call me a Vermonter. I've been to many places in the Bahamas and seen so many beautiful sightings, but they can't beat Vermont. Vermont has always been my home and always will be. Even if I move out of state and live there a little longer, I'll always look back and say Vermont was always my true home.